In this tutorial, I'll be looking into breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs really helps us to manage to know where the location a user is in a web page or in a web application. So breadcrumbs are really helpful for those that have a large website or application, and you want the user to keep track of the of his navigation. So Materialize CSS helps us to do that. Uh, so we'll be looking into how to do that using the Materialize CSS breadcrumbs, the classes, the class that was given by the Materialize CSS.html breadcrumbs. Okay, so let's initiate. Uh, now let me put these in. Breadcrumb. Let me close all this. I'm going to the breadcrumb open. So overwrite, and this should be breadcrumb. So for the breadcrumb, let me show you how it's going to be. Let's say we have the user navigates from A and comes into B. You can also be showing the user how to keep track of where it's coming from. So user is from A into location B and also into location C. So it will be easier for the user to go back to location B by clicking on B location, on B link, and also get back to A directly by using this. So we'll look into it by using breadcrumbs provided by Materialize CSS. Okay, so let's take a look. We'll be using a nav provided by Materialize and a div, and the div we have a class. Remember, a column lives inside of a row, so you can't have a column without a row, and this should be the div class of co-export. And then let's add our links. So the breadcrumbs are just links, so let's add the link of a link. Let's say I came in from a footer. I could just do footer.html. So footer, and then add a class called breadcrumb from Materialize. That's the class provided by Materialize for this footer. So icons, probably I'm supposed to be in a footer, and then from the a footer there is supposed to be another link or another page within the footer that I click to stumble upon. So but let's just hold it here and say icons. That's where it's almost applicable. So icons index.html index. So probably it means that I'm supposed to be in my index.html. So I am coming from footer into icons, and then from icons I navigated to index. So let's view that breadcrumb. Okay, sorry, I didn't add my font, so I'm supposed to bring in my font. So link this should be font slash material icons CSS. So let me refresh. Okay, so you can see I am in index. I really have to navigate back to icons. So this is not a full way of showing this, but for the sake of time, I just want to show you how the way breadcrumbs work. So what this meant is that I came in from footer into icons, and from icons I arrived at the index. Maybe it might be another subdomain within the icons file or web page. And so that's it, guys, with working with breadcrumbs and Materialize. It makes it to be easier. Thanks, guys, for watching.